What if your next SUV wasn't just a vehicle, but a 200,000-mile beast built to outlive trends, outlast expectations, and redefine reliability? In a world of fast tech and short life cycles, these machines are the real game changers, engineered for the long haul, built like tanks, and proven to go the distance. Today we're counting down the top 9 SUVs that can smash past 200,000 miles, and in some cases, even 300,000. Let's dive in. Number 9. Lincoln Navigator. Big, bold, and unapologetically luxurious, the Lincoln Navigator isn't just about comfort. It's about endurance wrapped in elegance. Beneath that refined exterior lies a truck-based platform that gives it serious long-term strength. Around 2.6% of Navigators have crossed the 200,000-mile mark, and that's no small feat for a luxury SUV. And here's the twist: despite its premium status, maintenance costs are surprisingly manageable. It's a rare mix: high-end comfort meets long-haul durability. Can a luxury SUV really go the distance? The Navigator says yes. Number 8. GMC Yukon XL. This is where size meets substance. The GMC Yukon and its extended sibling, the Yukon XL, are built like old-school warriors in a modern world. With a 3.5% rate of surpassing 200,000 miles, these SUVs prove that body-on-frame construction still matters. Powered by a robust 5.3L V8, they deliver not just power, but consistency over time. Need space for 9 passengers and their luggage? Done. Planning cross-country road trips? Easy. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress designed for years of service. Number 7. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Now here's something unexpected: a hybrid on a high-mileage list. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid quietly redefines what efficiency and longevity can look like together. With 3.8% crossing 200,000 miles, it proves that electrification doesn't mean compromise. A 2.5L engine paired with electric motors creates a system that's smooth, efficient, and shockingly durable. So the question is this the future of long-lasting SUVs? Toyota might already have the answer. Number 6. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe is a legend in disguise. It doesn't scream for attention, but it earns respect over time. Sharing DNA with the Yukon, the Tahoe pushes even further with 3.9% reaching 200,000 miles. From law enforcement fleets to family garages, this SUV is trusted where reliability isn't optional, it's critical. With V8 power and rugged engineering, the Tahoe doesn't just survive harsh conditions, it thrives in them. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. If there's one SUV that refuses to quit, it's the Toyota 4Runner. Built for off-road punishment but perfectly capable on city streets, this machine is often called indestructible, and not without reason. With 4.1% exceeding 200,000 miles and some even pushing past 300K, the 4Runner has become a cult favorite among adventure seekers. It's raw, it's tough, and it's built to outlast almost anything in its class. Number 4. Ford Expedition. Think of the Ford Expedition as an F-150 in a tailored suit. This full-size SUV blends workhorse durability with family-friendly versatility. And the numbers back it up. 4.9% of Expeditions cross 200,000 miles. Even after switching to a 3.5L EcoBoost V6, it hasn't lost its edge. In fact, it's more efficient while still delivering serious towing power. It's big, capable, and built for the long run. Number 3. Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban isn't just an SUV, it's a legacy on wheels. With over 5.1% reaching 200,000 miles, it stands as one of the most proven long-distance vehicles ever built. More space, more capability, and more endurance than most rivals. It's the go-to choice for families, fleets, and anyone who refuses to compromise. It doesn't just carry passengers, it carries decades of trust. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. If reliability had a physical form, it might look like the Toyota Sequoia. A massive 11.2% of Sequoias surpass 200,000 miles, with some even breaking the 300K barrier. That's not impressive, that's dominant. Built on a truck platform and engineered with Toyota's legendary precision, this SUV is designed for years, no decades of use. Drive at 15,000 miles a year, and you're looking at nearly 20 years of dependable performance. That's not just longevity, that's commitment. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. And now, the undisputed king. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just reliable, it's legendary. With a staggering 16.3% reaching over 200,000 miles, and many pushing beyond 300,000, this SUV exists in a league of its own. Built for the harshest environments on Earth, From deserts to mountains, it's engineered with one goal: never stop. No gimmicks. No shortcuts. Just pure, uncompromising durability. This isn't just an SUV, it's a lifetime companion. So, what separates these SUVs from the rest? It's not just engineering, it's philosophy. A commitment to durability in a world chasing disposability. From hybrid efficiency to body-on-frame toughness, these vehicles prove one thing: longevity is still alive and thriving. But here's the real question. Which one would you trust for 200,000 miles? Don't forget to subscribe to Drive Stats for more cinematic AI-powered car reviews. And tell us in the comments, which SUV impressed you the most?